Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this anti-thief carbon monoxide detector with a 10-year of lifetime sensor and 10 years of battery life. It is a CO detector with display and test button EN5291 standards with updated sockets. Whoa. This unit uses advanced electrochemical sensors and with the LCD digital display for CO concentration. We are going to check our healthy home, power van, camping, ship, on vacation, on the office area, that there is no props with CO. In the bedroom, for example, in the kitchen, in the garage, in the basement, in the living room, where you like to check this, you can perform. This is the advanced electrochemical CO sensor. Quickly detects dangerous CO concentrations from 23 ppm to 999 ppm and warns early with an alarm of over 80 and 5 decibel. It comes with a minimalist and a portable design. It's compact and lightweight. This CO detector can be wall-mounted or used freestanding. This makes it suitable for various occasions, such as home, office, hotel, and travel. And we have a long-lasting protection, a lifespan of 10 years with internal batteries. At least 10 years. Ensure long-term protection and saves time and money for our family. The peak CO concentration memory makes a good job. The visual LCD automatically stores the high CO concentration to confirm alarms that were triggered when we are away from home, for example. And this CO alarm is designed for indoor use only. We do not expose to rain or moisture. We do not knock or drop the detector. When choosing the installation method by using the glue function, the glue tape. It is a tape included from 3M. We take out the insulation sheet on the bracket and confirm that product is start up. We paste the 3M tape on the bracket. We fix the device at the correct position. We use the test and silence button to test the device. We ensure that the sound of the device is in alarm mode. Or we drill a hole and get this plugged in. Or we use this freestanding on our furnitures, for example. We should place it out of the reach of children. Under no circumstances should children be allowed to handle the CO alarm. We install in a bedroom or hallway located close to the sleeping area. We take special care to verify the alarm can be heard in sleeping areas. It is recommended that the CO alarm be installed on each level of a multi-level home. We can locate 1 up to 3 meters, the 3 up to 10 feet away from a full burning appliance. We place at eye level allows for optimum monitoring of the red and green indicator lights. We ensure that all fans of the unit are unobstructed. We do not install it in dead air spaces such as peaks or vaulted ceilings or gable roofs. We do not install in turbulent air from ceiling fans. We do not place near fresh air vents or close to doors and windows that open to the outside, of course. We keep the CO alarm away from excessively dusty dirt or greasy areas such as kitchens, garages, and furnace rooms. Dust, grease, and household chemicals can be affect the sensor. We keep it out of damp and humid areas such as the bathroom. We avoid spraying aerosols near the CO alarm. We do not install it area with the temperatures below minus 10 degrees Celsius or hotter than 40. We do not place behind curtains of furniture. The CO must be able to reach the sensor for the unit to accurately detect CO. And then we can see if it is installed, we can see the power indicator, the green LED. In if it is in use to indicate the power status of the CO alarm. The power indicator will flash every 40 seconds. And we have a fault indicator. The fault indicator, this is the yellow LED, is used to indicate fault or warning status of the CO alarm. And we have an alarm indicator. The alarm indicator, this is the red LED, is used to indicate alarm status of the CO alarm. And we have a test and silence button. This button is used to test the unit. We press and hold to enable the test function. And we have an alarm sounder. The alarm sounder is used to send out the CO alarm warning and fault warning informations. And we have an LCD screen. This indicates CO concentration and alarm status. And it's really cool. When we first power on the alarm indicator, fault indicator, and power indicator, LED will flash once in turn. And then the buzzer will sound once. The LCD will display for 4 seconds. This is the wake up or the countdown phase will be done before it will work proper. 1 minute. And the power indicator will flash once every second. This preheating state goes after 60 seconds, job's done, and then it is a normal operation mode. Then it flashes on every 40 seconds, and you know how much CO is in the air by looking at the LCD screen. And if everything's fine, you can have a good day. But if there is alert, you have to leave the area, open windows and doors to ventilate the home. And this can save your life and the life of your family if you use such a carbon monoxide detector in every house. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.